welcome back to my channel.
I am back with another video. I will be showing you the products throughout the video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time. Alright, so let's get started with this. We are going to use the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray, and then we are also going to apply, L'Oreal Paris Collagen Cream, and then we're gonna get started with our eyebrows. For this process, I like to, use the Ardell Dark Brown pomade. I like to apply it with the same brush that came with it when I bought it. Just, drawing a line on the bottom. Then you can go back and blend all the product using a little MAC brush. It's just a little brush that I like to use just to make sure everything is blended out evenly. A MAC brush, it's the 195 brush, and that's just apply the L.A Girl PRO concealer to clean up the brow, and I am using the medium beige color. We're giving some definition to our brows. And then we're going to use a Real Techniques concealer brush just so we can blend all of the product. And then we're going to go ahead and apply Maybelline it's an eyebrow mascara I like to use. And then we're going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer so we can, prep our eyelids for the eyeshadows, the best part. And then here we are going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and then the Weekend Festival palette. I am in love. I'm only using one shade from this palette. To apply all of the 3 shades that I'm using, I'm going to be using the 217 MAC brush. There's a lot of fallout, so that was not so nice, but it is what it is. And I mean, you can clean it up. That's exactly why I don't like to, start with my foundation, because I know I'm gonna make a mess. And here you see me applying the eyeshadow. The first one was like a little yellow, tone. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply more of the yellow. Circular motions and back and forth. Make sure you can apply more if you want to intensify the color. And here you see me using the orange, which it changed the situation. And I'm, like I said, I'm using the same brush. And I like to apply it on the lower line. Whatever you apply on the top, you apply it on the bottom. And then with the 217 brush, you just, blend everything. I have a question. Do you guys make these faces as well? And here you see me singing, and I'm just cleaning up the excess. And here I am using the MAC palette because I like to use the lighter shade for my eyebrow bone, and then here I'm using the MAC 224 brush. It's a clean brush, and it's just to blend everything so there is no lines, no harsh lines. And then we're gonna go back to the beige Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. I took this green shimmery eyeshadow that would look amazing for the summer. It's shimmery and it looks pretty good. Look at that. I love it. I'll go back to the 217 MAC brush just to blend everything. You don't want any harsh lines, like I said. And then I went back to apply highlighter color on the eyebrow bone. Using one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the Max Volume Plus mascara. It's waterproof and it's pretty damn good. For the price, I thought it was amazing. I've been using it for, you know, a couple weeks already, and I like it. I can't say anything bad about it. And then we are using for the lower lash from Wet n Wild, and it's called the Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. Just put, you know, 2 coats or 1, whatever you want to use, but it does make a difference. And as you can see, those products, I'm trying this product for the first time, but oh my god, it's the Maybelline Up to 24 Hours Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Real Techniques brush for this. Make sure you apply it on your neck and everything so you can match it. In camera it looks a little white, but it oxidizes. And here you see me using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10 Fairlight, and I am using a MAC 133 brush with it. Just make sure you dab all over the face. Set all your foundation so you don't look shiny. I really love this powder. It's pretty good. Thanks to my sister who told me about it. And then, like I said, bronzer here. And this is from, oh my god, I love this one. It's from Too Faced. It's the Chocolate Soleil. I don't know if I pronounced that good, but it's in the medium deep matte color. And I applied that with a MAC 129 brush. And oh my god, what can I say? I love this product. Then I went back with the brush that set my face, just so you can clean up any harsh lines left from the bronzer. Of course, you can't forget about the chapstick and the highlighter. And for that, I'm using the Maybelline Mater Chrome with a Real Techniques brush. I love it. It just, you know, shines, and look at that. It's beautiful. And with my finger, I just like to, you know, do the middle part from my nose. I love it. It's just that, you know, it's a good feeling. And then I go back with the MAC brush, and just so I can blend all the highlighter and everything, so there's no lines. For the lips, I'm just going to, you know, line my lips using the MAC Spice lip pencil. I use a Lorac Beauty and the Beast Red Rose lipstick, which, oh my god, look at that. It looks amazing. I think it's perfect for summer. Now we're gonna use the duo to apply our lashes, but guess what? I messed up. I'm pretty sure everyone makes mistakes, but I had to cut my eyelashes because they were too big. But then, you know, here you go, you see me applying it, and they look beautiful. So here is the final look, but I almost forgot to, you know, apply blush. Some pink on your cheeks. And there is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Share it, and until next time, thank you so much for watching.